Still waiting for Han. Still waiting.
Are you ready?
I'm ready before you.
Are you ready?
I got ready before you.
Are you ready?
I got ready before you.
Just because you're wearing this doesn't mean you're ready.
Wait, why are we matching?
Come on, let's go. I didn't get changed. Like I said, I was already wearing this, so you wanted to look more like me. So, you know.
La ilaha illallah. What a liar. Who wore it best?
Come on, let's go.
Did I?
50% of the things that you wear on the upper body, sometimes on the lower body, is straight out of my closet.
Ben.
So many options in Melbourne. You don't know if you're in Melbourne or Japan.
We hope you enjoyed our little walk through Melbourne City.
As you can see, cafes and restaurants are still closed. See you guys soon.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Fly